Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash, and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. Gold soars past 3200 as trade war deepens. Dollar loses ground. Gold rockets to 3250 as traders ramp up safe haven bets amid tariff onslaught. So my dear friend, yesterday gold almost made a high of 3250, precisely 324445 area, and ultimately gold closed around 3237, 3238. Gold is unstoppable. Sky is the limit. And this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us. And my dear friend, if you have been on the buy side, then hope you made good money, because we have been discussing about buying a dip for the last couple of days, and buying a dip or buying a breakout really gave us some nice reward. But those who are holding sell position on the chart of gold, you need to be careful, because nobody knows, okay, from where the market will reverse. Obviously the market will come down at one point, but that particular point, okay, nobody knows. So until and unless gold reverses, as a retail trader, we can only survive in this game by following the trend of the market. But there are some little complications on the chart of gold right now that I would like to discuss one by one. So please listen to me carefully. If you're busy doing something, then watch the video later. Okay, so let's start. If we just look at the chart of gold, then obviously the market is super bullish. We can see some consolidation right now. So under normal circumstances, okay, we can easily go for a buy and breakout here, isn't it? So far we have been doing this for the last couple of months, okay. And if market doesn't go for breakout, then obviously market will come for retracement and we can buy at retracement. Simple trading strategy in a bullish market like this. And already we have seen the market sentiment also. So the fundamentals are also pointing towards an upside. But if you look at a daily chart of gold, my dear friend, we can see that on the daily chart, we have a divergence. Okay, we have a divergence on the chart of gold. And this divergence is signifying that slowly, okay, the momentum is going down. So there is a possibility of a reversal here. Now the thing is, without news, there cannot be a reversal, and we can see that because of the global uncertainty, gold is super bullish. And if the same market sentiment continues, then obviously the chances of trend reversal is almost negligible. But yes, a market cannot continuously go up like this. Okay, there will be some retracements, correction. So on the chart of gold, if gold comes down, your first duty will be, or our first duty will be, to check the news. If any news comes out during the weekend or on Monday, then we can expect that gold will fall. Many of you are expecting gold to fall towards 2700, 2600, I know. But without news, that is not possible. But if you see gold is coming down, okay, without news, then it will just be a temporary technical correction that we had here. And we can expect the support to be around 3140, 3150. Remember, we got a crazy bounce around 2950 area. We can expect a similar scenario around 3140, 3150 for a good bounce. If you see gold is coming down without any news. But yes, there is a possibility of a correction right now. Now, we need to stay in touch with the news. If any news comes up, well and good, we will get a better price. Otherwise, this can be the support where we can look for a buy position. Okay, and if we look at the hourly chart of gold, we can clearly see the market is in consolidation right now. Okay, and if you look at a 15-minute chart, okay, 15-minute chart has an interesting story here. On the 15-minute chart of gold, we can see that we have an ascending triangle pattern. It's a bullish pattern. Okay, so it's a bullish pattern. So as per 15 minutes time frame, we can expect a breakout. Okay. But as I said at the beginning of the video, that there are some complications. Okay, let me show you why. If you look at the contracts data, we can see we have the highest number of contracts standing at 3250 area. We have 5,000 contracts. See, if we look at the 3,300, 3300, you can see the 3300 also has a good number of contracts, but the number of contracts are not reducing at 3250. That is a matter of concern. So the 15 minutes chart may be pointing towards an upside, but the contracts standing at 3250 are not going down. So the divergence on daily chart, okay, and the contract standing at 3250, okay, are pointing that there is a possibility of a correction. I'm not talking about trend reversal here, because trend reversal is a different game where you will see gold going down for the next couple of weeks and months. No, that's a whole different game. We are expecting a temporary reversal for 2 to 3 days where we will get a better price to enter. Okay, uh, so let's wait and watch on Monday what happens. So my dear friends, so what are the trading opportunities here then? Okay, the next trading opportunity on the chart of gold is if gold breaks 3250. If gold breaks 3250, then market will be heading towards 3300. Because if any news comes out during the weekend, then obviously nothing will work because market sentiment is above all, and we will see gold going towards 3300. That's it. But if the same market sentiment remains, there is a possibility that on Monday or Tuesday, we may see gold going down. Okay, so gold is trading in a very fragile zone right now. Do not go for big lot sizes. For example, if gold comes down also, if you get a good discounted price to buy also, do not go for big lot sizes, because already we have earned thousands of pips on gold. So it's better to take risks. Okay, do not go for big risk right now because you may get trapped also. So let's discuss the trading opportunities for Monday one by one. The market opening is going to be very, very important. Those who are holding buy, okay, those who have already buy on gold right now, you can hold your buy position with your stop loss below 3220. Below this, you can put your stop loss and you can hold your buy position. And if you're looking for fresh position in the market, especially if you're a swing trader or if you're a positional trader, then obviously this is not the ideal time. For example, around 295060, you got a good entry. Okay, so you need to wait again for a better price. If you see gold coming down, then you can look for a better price around 314050. If gold takes support around that area, you can look for a buy. So the levels that are in front of us right now are mostly for day traders only. Because as a swing trader, you will be holding your trades. And right now, we can see that things are not adding up. So on Monday, if market comes down, observe the volume of the chart. If you see market is forming small candles, similar size candles, then you can look for a good bounce around 3217. How much you can expect? You can expect a bounce of 50 to 60 pips. Around 3217, 3220. This is our first level. We are considering this area because the previous resistance will be working as support. And we also have the 100 moving average. And in a market condition like this, where the market is bullish and volume is low, importantly, we can expect a bounce around this area. And if market surprises us, because sometimes Monday mornings are crazy, if you see that there is a sudden selling pressure on the chart of gold, in that case, forget about buying around this area, and your next buy zone will be around 3175 area. 3175, because you can see the previous resistance already working as support here, and we also have FIBO. Let me show you on the hourly chart. It will be easier for you to understand. This is the hourly chart of gold, and you can see we have FIBO 0.236 around this area as well. So if market drops with volume, 317576 area is the first level where you can look for a buy. If you see market is coming down with small candles, then around 3220, 3217 you can also look for a buy. And in case of a crash, if market surprises us, for example, the divergence on the daily chart, the good number of contracts at 3250, okay, are all pointing towards downside. If that happens, as a swing trader, you can look for a buy around 3150, 3140 area. Again, see FIBO 38.2% retracement level plus the previous resistance will be working as support. Okay, so these are the three levels on the chart of gold where we can look for a buy position, okay, if market comes down after the market opening. Low volume, this one. Heavy, little heavy volume, this one. And very heavy volume, this one. And if you are an experienced trader, obviously you can sit on a sell position also. But be careful, because in a bullish market, taking a sell or sitting on a sell can be dangerous. And most of you beginners. I know that okay, you guys are not very experienced with risk management, so I will not recommend any sell position as of now. On Monday, I will update if any opportunity arises. And my dear friends, if market doesn't come down, then obviously market will be going for a breakout, isn't it? Because we have two possibilities: market either come down or market will go up. We can look for a buy above 3246 area if you see market is going up, but be very careful. Okay, do not go for big lot size. If you want to avoid, you can skip it. Personally, I am not planning to buy above 3246 unless I see a big green candle. If you want to go for a buy above 3246, go with a small lot size. It will be better for all of us, okay, all of us to enter when the market will come down, because 3246, 3245 area will be the new support. When market will come down and bounce back, it will be better for us to enter at retracement, because the previous resistance will be working as support. Though the 15 minutes chart is showing that we have an ascending triangle pattern, okay, but we should also keep in mind that on the higher time frame we have a divergence, especially the contracts standing at 3250 are not going to surrender that easily. So obviously there can be a fight around 3250. After taking a buy at breakout, I do not want to get stuck in a bad position. If I see a big green candle, same goes with you also, then only go for a buy. And it will be better and safer for us to enter after the breakout when market will be coming down, and market will take support around 324546 area. It will become the new support. Okay, and as I have already mentioned, gold is trading in a very fragile zone right now. We cannot deny it. So be careful, do not go for big lot sizes. And if you are holding a sell, okay, if you are holding a sell position on the chart of gold, yes, you can hold your sell position. But if gold crosses 3250, if you see that market is continuing the bullish momentum, please exit from your sell position. Because if you do not exit at the right time, you will lose your whole capital. Because there's a high chance that after breaking 3250, gold will head towards 33300. And see, we cannot deny the fact that when fundamentals dominate the market, technically has do not work. If any news comes out during the weekend, then obviously gold will head towards 3300 3400. It doesn't matter what, there is a divergence, there is this, there is that, there is a resistance, nothing will work. Okay, so stay in touch with the news, okay, and try to follow the trend of the market. Be flexible and do not gamble. That's all. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.